Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. It can be described as a soft, muted brown with hints of orange, creating a gentle and earthy appearance. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as cider, 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 cider. Cider evokes a range of emotions and reactions. It can create a sense of warmth, comfort, and nostalgia, often associated with the cozy, rustic feel of autumn and the comforting aroma of apple cider. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about cider, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.